Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today I discuss the probability of class 9. Probability of class 9 show if a coin is tossed one time, there are two sample space is occurred. Now the two sample space head and tail. If the two coin is tossed, then the total favorable outcome is 4. Now HH, HT, TH and TT, the total sample space and the total sample space is 4. Now the number of coin is given, so the number of total outcome equal to 2 power n. Number of total outcome equal to 2 power n. So if the one dice is thrown, then the total sample space, one dice is thrown, then sample space yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is occurred. 1 2 3 4 5 6 has occurred. Now total number of sample space is 6. Total number of sample space is 6. If the two dice are thrown, two dice are thrown, then the total sample space is 36. That is 6 into 6. 6 into 6 equal to 36. So therefore this is the sample space of 1 coin, 2 coin and 3 coin are tossed, then the total number of sample space is 2, 4 and 8. If therefore one dice are tossed, one dice are thrown, then we get the total sample space is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if the two dice are thrown, then the total sample space are getting on throwing of two dice is 36. So this is the total sample space, and we find the probability of an event. Probability of an event is that probability of an event is that the probability of an event equal to favorable outcome upon total outcome. Now this is the formula of finding the probability of an event. Probability of an event is the favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. This is the probability of an event. Now find the question on the basis of probability. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times, and we get number one, two coins tossed 500 times, that we get two heads, 105 times. One head 275 times, and no head 120 times. 120 times. Find the probability of the occurrence of each of these events. Let us denote the probability of, let the event E1, E2, E3 denote the two heads, one head, and no head. and no head, 2 head, 1 head and no head. Show the probability of PE1 105 upon 500 equal to 0.21. PE2 275 upon 500 equal to 0.55, and the probability of PE3 equal to 120 upon 500, 0.24. So we satisfy that if P1 plus PE2 plus PE3 equal to 1, 0.21, 0.55, 0.24 is equal to 1. So the value of these probabilities are satisfied that. Okay. Next, now next question. In a cricket match, a batswoman hit a boundary of 6 times. To hit the boundary, hit the boundary 6 times. Six times, and total ball played 30, not hit the boundary, not hit the boundary. 30 minus 624, 30 minus 624. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. Probability not hit boundary equal to not hit boundary equal to 24 upon 30. and 4 upon 5. And if we find the probability, hit the boundary equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 equal to 5 minus 4 upon 5, that's equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 as the probability of an event. Clear? Okay, thank you.